Hello everyone, this is Deborah LeBlanc with Remax Professionals, and I'm here today at 11 Mattinee Bay, and I wanted to show you guys this lovely home. It's been well loved by the same owners for 48 years, and I just wanted to show you just how well maintained and lovely this home is. We have about 1,278 square feet on the main level, and so you're just under 1,300 square feet. Look at this lovely front porch. They just love to hang out, have their coffee in the morning. You've got an east-facing home, so the sun is just beautiful in the morning. Let's go on inside. All right, so we have a lovely entryway into your living room area. Very roomy in here. And check out this beautiful window. So the windows are tri-paned and they are polar windows. So they last a very long time. And then it's an L shape, living room, dining room combination. So here's the formal dining room area. And you've got another window. And this one, so you've got an opening factor here. I'll circle around our virtual open house so you can feel exactly what we're feeling. Lovely, isn't it? Let's go step inside the kitchen here. It's an eat-in kitchen. It's very, very roomy. And appliances are included. I'll show you how much space we've got here. Let's see. This place is so clean. You would be amazed when you come in here. You've got very meticulous owners. They have kept this place just spotless. Okay, let's see. Huge pantry, by the way. Let me open this up. Look at this. Big, huge pantry in your kitchen. All right, we'll go down the hallway here. And let's start at the end. Got one big bedroom here. Take a little look around there. Again, polar window, big closet in the bedroom. Going down the hallway, we will come to the bathroom. Oh, nope, the bedroom first. Sorry about that. So we have another bedroom in here. They have it set up as a sitting room, but there's a big closet back there too. So whoever gets this bedroom also gets a big closet. Hallway closet. Washroom, which has been redone. Beautiful cabinetry and large mirror with more storage. Newer dual flush toilet. The tub surround was replaced. Beautiful slider glass doors. And again, so clean. So here's your master suite. Got newer light fixtures. Again, polar windows. Lovely, beautiful, big master bedroom with 2 closets. Got lots of storage in this house. Get nice and organized. So how about we go take a look at the basement? Walk you through kitchen. So the basement is huge. I'm gonna check this out. Okay. So you've got an area here which is rec room, and over here. So you've got 2 absolutely huge spaces. I don't know, probably one area you could go and put your TV kind of set up, and then the other area can be a games area over here. There's so many different options that you could choose. Just wanted to give you a feeling for this. Let's go check out. There's a room back here that you could use for an office, a craft room, spare bedroom. Show you that. There's a built-in desk over there. Again, a big closet space. Huge bathroom with a stand-up shower I'll show you. There's stand-up shower in there. Okay. And then we also have a storage area. This is your storage room. So if you don't need a huge storage room, you could turn this into a workout room, an office, whatever you choose. Lots of options here. And there's another huge closet here near the stairs. And then you go into your laundry room. Okay, so you got a nice big laundry room, 100 amp panel, central vac, and the attachments are included. Sump pump, new hot water tank. The furnace is newer. It is mid-efficiency, but it was done in the past few years. I should mention, so the shingles were newer, soffits, fascias, eaves troughs newer. I want to take you outside and show you this crazy big garage with a shop in it. So all the guys will love this man cave. Let's take a peek at the grass area. Take a little walk back here so you can see there's even some more storage back here behind the garage. I kind of wanted to show you this. So if you had to store ladders or anything extra, tuck it out of sight. Got your green, everything has just been meticulously kept. No weeds growing in the pavement, cement, air conditioning unit, and a huge cement area that you've got also. So on this side of the garage, I think we measured it was like 26 by 24. Massive garage here. So this side they use for storage, but of course you could use that for your car. And then on the other side, the sub panels over here too. I'll show you. We've got a sub panel here because the gentleman that used to live here did welding. So he did all kinds of welding in this garage on this side. This side is actually the shop side. So we've got a heater up top. It's all insulated and drywalled. It gets toasty warm in here. Gotta take a look at this. Lots of room. There's your heater up there. So I just wanted to show you this lovely property. If you have any questions about the property, give me a shout. Again, it's Deborah LeBlanc with RE/MAX Professionals. You can call me at 204-918-6796. Have a lovely day. Bye-bye.